Okay, here's an example working backwards. A lot of the time we're giving you an angle and then saying find us coordinates. This one is, here are your coordinates, figure out what angle you're at. So let's see if we can make sense of this. Our x-coordinate is negative, meaning we're off to the left. Our y-coordinate is positive, meaning up. So the point they're talking about and the terminal arm they're talking about look something like this. The x-coordinate is minus 0.8829, and our y-coordinate is the 0.4695. I have to write that sideways or I'll never fit it in. Okay, and the question is, what angle is this? Well, there's two ways that we can handle this. Remember, this coordinate right here corresponds to the cosine of angle theta, whatever it is, and the y-coordinate corresponds to sine theta, whatever it is. So if you know that cosine theta equals 0.8829, you can strip off that cosine by doing the inverse. You're going to be doing second cosine or arc cosine 0.8829. You can think of that as taking the cosine over to the other side where it becomes inverse cosine, which is kind of cheating. It's highly unofficial, but it does work. You take the cosine from the left side to the right side and it becomes inverse cosine 0.8829. So on your calculator you're going to be doing either second cosine 0.8829, or on mine it's the other order 0.8829, and then I go second cos. And it comes back with 28 degrees. That's not the answer. Don't go yet. That 28 degrees is a reference angle. It says this theta is 28, which means our rotation angle, coming around like so, would have to be 180 minus 28. 180 minus 28 equals, should be 152 degrees. Okay, so far so good. Could we have used this coordinate? Let's find out. If that's supposed to be the sine, then over here, sine theta, we could also say that sine theta is 0.4695. 0.4695. So now the angle according to that would be the arc sine, or the inverse sine, of 0.4695.
Especially for you.
0.4695, there we go. So on my calculator, 0.4695 second sine. And guess what? You get 28 degrees again. Once again, it comes back with 28. Again, that's a reference angle. And so that means it appears over here. You say this is 28, therefore the rotation angle is 180 minus 28. Again, you get 152 degrees. So this corresponds to cosine, this corresponds to sine. They should give you the same information if you solve them the right way.